Okay, here we are at 7 o'clock in the morning. And this is what a Maine blizzard can do for you. I mean, we still got the blizzard going on, but look what it did to the roof of my guest house. Look at the snow, how much it's piled right up on there. Kind of made like a dip. Gone all over. Look at that. Of course, we got the great big pile. Now those living in the guest house come home at 11 o'clock last night. Look at this. Looks like their car is going to be covered. We're not done. We're in the middle of the storm. This is 7 and so they came home like 8 hours ago. And this is it. Look at the the playhouse for the kids. Looks like it's got a Big Mac on top, huh? Look at that snow. Alright, and some more on one of there. And we look on top there for the pellets, how much snow there is. But the amazing part is really looking at this roof. Look at that. And that's what snow and winter is all about in Maine. Alright, and you can see it just coming right down, coming right at you. Look at that. A great big pile here. Jeez, can't really even see anything. Alright, hope you've enjoyed my bringing you a little clip of what a blizzard in Maine looks like. Bye-bye now.